Hi teachers, and welcome back. I'm James. Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom to teach your Japanese students or students around the world. Behind me is a green screen. You're going to need this if you have a messy room like me. Anyway, let's get to it. This is my PC. You're going to need a fantastic camera, preferably in HD. This is an Ode HD Logicool camera. So make sure you get an external camera. Don't use the one that's built into your laptop. Another thing that you'll need is a great microphone. This is my microphone. I got this from Amazon Japan. This is fantastic. Call it Radio James. And it comes with this arm. Anyway, you can get this from Amazon Japan. To do a great lesson, you should consider using PowerPoint. That's Microsoft PowerPoint. If you don't have it, you can try one of those free open source apps. So I use PowerPoint. Let me show you my presentation. I'm going to show you my presentation. To be successful, you should use PowerPoint. Have all your material done so that your students can see. So I teach Japanese kids. I wrote for myself greetings for 1st to 3rd graders. And here, and this little icon means there's audio. In this case, there's a song. So I have many slides. I'll quickly go over them. I start off with, how are you? Make sure you smile, make sure you enunciate everything. Well, my students are expected to answer it like this. I'm fine, thank you. Okay? And there's a song. Listen, I can only let you listen to it for a bit.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you? I'm fine.
See? Like that. Then I move on to greetings. What is your name? How do you spell your name? What is your family name? How old are you? What grade are you in? What elementary school do you go to? What English school do you go to? What do you have in your pockets? Slide 3. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There's a song for this. Let's say the 7 days, or let's sing, and there's a song.
Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday.
That's slide 6. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Let's say the 12 months. There's a song that I made up, but I'm not going to sing it. What's the date today? It's April, whatever number. You can use an ordinal number. When is your birthday? It's in whatever. How many seasons are there? There are 4 seasons. Let's say the 4 seasons. I made up a song, but I'm not going to sing it. Spring, summer, autumn, fall, winter. Then I do the weather. How is the weather? Sunny, cloudy, stormy, snowy, rainy, windy. And then I can ask, is it stormy? Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. I have expressions. That means hyogen in Japanese. Look at this. Good for you. Come on. Just a minute. Dinner's ready. I'm coming. Or I'm coming. Whose ball is this? It's mine. Where are you? I'm here. More expressions. Why? I don't know. Really? That's too bad. Let me see. Colors? What colors do you like? Numbers. Count from 1 to 20. What is he doing? What is she doing? What is he doing and what is she doing? He's reading. She's drawing. I get my students to answer it like this. He is or she is with an ing. For this month, I'm teaching things in the classroom. Blackboard, scissors, classroom, crayon, eraser, chair, computer, ruler, desk, pencil, notebook, pencil sharpener, book, paper, pen. Okay, and then I have action words. I read these words and then I get them to repeat and then pantomime. So this one is make, fix, climb, listen, smell, pet, look, hang, break, help, read, scratch, and write. So if I want them to pantomime, I say, do the action, break, and then I can see them from their webcam. If they forget, do the gesture. Call an action word randomly and get them to pantomime it. Now if you want, this is what I do for a game. I have I spy, so I will say find, and my students know the word find, so find a fish. There's a function here in PowerPoint. If I put this presentation in slideshow, start from the current slide, this is it, I can zoom up like this. See this magnifying glass? I can zoom up, and for littler kids I'll say find a fish. I'll give them a hint. Where is the fish? And perhaps someone will find it. Oh, I know teacher. Okay, what color is it? They might say red or orange. Just say yeah, right, here. Good. And find a pie. Okay, a pie, like apple pie. Hover over it if they don't know. Oh, I found it, teacher. Oh, what color is it? It's brown? Yes. Good job. Be creative. One of the great things about PowerPoint is that they have a laser pen right here. Press that and select laser pointer. And look at this, the cursor turns red. So this emphasizes what you're looking at. You can show them exactly what you're looking at or what word you're looking at. This is awesome. Okay, let's move on to Zoom. Okay, assuming that you downloaded the free version of Zoom. Okay, I've got Google and I'm going to type in Zoom. I've already installed it, but I'm going to do it this way. Okay, there it is, sign in. This is my email address and my password. Okay, this is my meeting room. You got profile, that's my picture. Okay, now here's meetings. This is what you want to do. Anytime you want to make a meeting, you're going to press schedule a new meeting. So you select this, you enter whatever information. Let's say you're having a lesson today. Today is Tuesday. So you say Tuesday 1:30 class. Type it in here. You can write a description here. That's optional. Then you will select the date and the time. Let me pretend. Okay, let's say Tuesday 1:30. Test. Today's date. Let's say 1:30. Actually, let's choose 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. All right. And you can decide the duration. It's up to you. This is my time zone. I'm in Japan. Video host, that's me. That's off. I'm going to leave it off. Participant is the student. I'm going to select on because I want to be able to see their face when they join. I don't want them to see my face when I join. Okay, I'm the host. Okay, for audio, I'm going to choose both. I want to be able to see and talk to them using the webcam and microphone. Enable waiting room so they can join before your lesson. They can all wait there till you're ready. Okay, and press save, and this will generate a code. See? Invite attendees. So whoever you want to join this meeting, you would copy this invitation right here. Click that. This will generate a code. Copy meeting invitation, and then send it out to whoever you want, just by email. And after the student downloads Zoom onto their computer, they can click on the link and it'll automatically set them up to my meeting. Let's take this further. Okay, I'm going to show you something else. Let me show you something else. Select host a meeting with video on. Open it. It launches this other window. You can see yourself. Join with computer audio, yes. Okay. Now you can see my background. That's virtual background. You can play with it. You can choose whatever image you want. So go over to this stop video. Select this part. Select choose virtual background. Right here. You can select whatever picture you want by pressing this button. You can download and just click on this to add an image or video. So if you want to be in Hawaii, look at this. Hawaii. That's what the student sees. Okay, so I'm going to leave it, or you can have this really cool one. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to switch this back to this. That's excellent. Okay, then I'm going to close this. You see these little buttons at the bottom? Security, manage participants. This tells you who is joining the room. By clicking this, it'll tell you. So I'm the host. Whoever's joining this meeting, their name will appear here and it'll say accept or decline. Of course you want to accept. Make sure that their microphone icon and video icon are working. All right. There's another way to send an invitation by clicking this invite. That will open this window, and then you can copy the invitation here. You can send that invitation by email, or you can do it directly by hooking up your Gmail or Yahoo or whatever default email, let's say Hotmail or some other provider's email. Okay, you can do that. And it generates a meeting password. So anyway, by clicking on this copy invitation, it automatically includes this password. Okay, make sure your student downloads Zoom. It's free to download. Okay, you have a chat option. You can chat directly to them or to all of them. A screen share, this is what you want. Press that, and there's a whiteboard. So if you want to share the whiteboard, you select this, and then you select share. And what they see is this whiteboard. Whatever you do here is what they see. So test. Or you can draw a picture. Select draw a picture, and this is what they'll see. Okay, just play with these functions. I'm going to stop share. So you can do a lot of things. Oh, regarding that presentation, here's the presentation from my PowerPoint. When I'm ready to teach, I'll select this screen and select share, and this is what they'll see. And I can do whatever I want. I can start my lesson. And that's how to do it with Zoom. If you have any questions, let me know. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.